The last video I made regarding customizing Windows was released on March 15th of 2023. Since then, not another video about customizing Windows 10 or 11 has been released. Back then, customizing Windows 10 and 11 was a very big thing. There were videos on top of videos of people using Windows built-in settings and third-party applications to make their PC look awesome. Now, just recently, I was in the mood to redesign the look of my Windows 11, and in this video, I will be showing you guys the best things you could possibly do to make your PC look as minimalistic and clean as possible in 2025. Let's start. Now, the first and most important step to getting a clean desktop is disabling your desktop icons. The reason for this is because there are many other ways to store applications that don't require making your desktop look like an eyesore. First, go to your desktop, right-click anywhere, go to View, then click on Show Desktop Icons once. And there you go. You're now free of all of those ugly shortcut icons. Next is setting a nice looking wallpaper. In my opinion, the best wallpapers for making a clean desktop come from Wallpaper Engine. For capable systems, which are most, Wallpaper Engine can turn a mediocre desktop into a beautiful desktop just by installing community-made live wallpapers that fit your style. Unfortunately, this application does cost $5, but if you're hesitating buying this, I would suggest that you spend the money because you will not regret it. To set this up, simply install Wallpaper Engine, go to Settings, set the playback and quality settings of your choice to avoid unwanted performance drops, then go to Steam, Community tab, click Wallpaper Engine, go to Workshop, then subscribe to whatever wallpapers of your liking. Warning though, things can get pretty weird while searching for wallpapers, so I would suggest setting the age rating to everyone. Once done, simply click the wallpaper in Wallpaper Engine and there it is. Next up is customizing your taskbar. The best application for this is definitely TranslucentTB, which can set your taskbar opaque, acrylic, or completely transparent. Those choices are up to you. Using this application, you can remove the ugly opaque taskbar and make it a acrylic design, which makes your desktop look clean and minimalistic. In this application, you can also control different presets for different occasions. Whether you're maximized in a game or focused on an open window or not tapped into any window and simply looking at your desktop. This application is also completely free and can be found on the Microsoft Store or in GitHub. And if you're worried about what type of toll this has on performance, it barely uses any RAM and almost no CPU, so there is nothing to worry about. Now that's it for things I personally use to make my Windows look clean and minimalistic. But one application that I can suggest for people who like widgets and those fancy clocks that you see on desktops is RainMeter. It definitely pushes away from the minimalistic design, but some widgets found in RainMeter can be useful, like showing your system's temperatures and component usage. This application is also completely free, and so are the widgets that you can find throughout the internet. I will leave a link to a tutorial on how to set this up. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more.